Spork Clockwise, following Josh Earl, better known as Bigfoot. Yeah, buddy. Josh is on the hardtail because he decided to rip his rear tire, rear wheel into shreds. Thank God for warranties. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. Even Bigfoot can jump. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah. Yes. Nice. Yeah. For how dry it's been, this is actually not in bad condition right now. Woo. Woo. As we both fly off the trail. So you guys saw my other video of Spork, which was counterclockwise. This is the clockwise version. I don't know if I can either, but we can give it a shot. Oh, we got it, we got it. Yeah. Look at that, buddy.
Nice.
Some days you got it, some days you don't. This trail is pretty cool though, because they have a lot of alternate features. So even if it is I think this is a blue, but they do have some drops and some other stuff that are all optional if you want to spice it up a little, which is kind of cool. This is up at North Fork out here in Eden, Utah. If you're wondering where it's at. Basically your one-stop destination for Utah trails. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build a library of as many Utah trails as I can, and then when I get out on trips, other parts of some of the other states. But if there's any trails out there you want me to hit in the Utah area, or that I haven't recorded yet, or yeah, buddy, or even in surrounding states, I do go on trips. Leave a comment, leave a recommendation. Yeah. And for anyone that says big dudes can't ride, this is proof they absolutely can ride. If Bigfoot can shred, you guys can too. Right, buddy? I said if Bigfoot can shred, you guys can too. Yeah, buddy. How you doing? That's the end of it. We only recorded the last little bit of downhill section. There's a bunch of up and down on this trail.